So hello friends, today we are going to discuss two classes, difference between these two classes. One is string class and the other is a string buffer class. So basically both are used to represent strings, but the string class objects are immutable, means they cannot be changed, but the string buffer class objects are mutable, that is they are changeable. Okay, so let us run a program, example program, to understand the difference between the two. Okay, so way one, we have to print Om Hari. Okay, so this is the concatenated string. So string 1 is Om at beginning, and then Om at beginning, and that it is concatenated, Om is concatenated with Hari to get a new string 1. So the 1 is not the original object, so it is overwritten. Okay, so new memory allocation is done and new everything is done. Okay, so it take more time. However, in string buffer, which is changeable, in the same object we can change it. Okay, so we just append Hari to this Om. Okay, so actually and one more thing, when you are writing this string now, then 16 more characters are allocated automatically in case of string buffer. Means some more space is also allocated. So let us run this program and understand. Okay, Homer is printed, V1. Let's comment this out. Save this program and now run this program again. We are compiling, running. Okay, so again same output we get. So what is the main point here? It is about performance. So in this case we have to overwrite it. So the first string is deleted and from the memory, and then the other is created. Okay, but here the original string still remains in the memory, and we just add to that string. Okay, so this is the performance wise, this is less efficient, okay, than this, but in small programs one could hardly notice any difference. Okay, so for simple programming it doesn't matters what we use. Okay, but for the programs in which the strings are changed too much often, okay, we are changing strings very much, then string buffer is obviously the better choice, because it efficiently changes one string to another. Okay, so okay, thank you friends, bye.